How are you? How are you, my everyone? Now I am going to teach you Hindi Varnamala. First will be that. Today's set is 10 dash hash 4 dash 2023. So now we start. Make a T and make a curve, half circle and make a tail. Then it will be curve. Next one. Make a row, make a standing line, make a curve and make a sleeping line. That will be the curve. And next is go. So make a T here and make a 6 or you can make a standing line, make a sleeping line and make a 6. Done. Now you have to write last one. This will be go. Next will be go. Make a T and make a tree. Then it will be. Now it is looks like this one. It is. So how many it will be? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So I told you what is the names of that. So go. They are the 4 letters in Hindi Varnamala. Do you know that? At Hindi Varnamala, how many there is? There is 4 Hindi Varnamala.